mag-decorate ng crochet table. Crochet corner ko. Dito na ako magko-crochet from now on since nakabalik na kami dun sa house namin na ni-renovate. Narinig niyo si Kitty? Anyways. Wala kasing lalagyanan yung mga stuff ko. Nakapatong lang dito kaya bumili ako ng organizer. Palitan natin to. Dumi-dumi na eh. Kay Christian pa nga to eh. Hi! So ito yung nabili ko. Ano siya? Baliktaran, pink and blue. Yeah, which side you like? Pink or blue side?
Pink.
Pink side, of course. Ay, it's a little small. I measured it. It's small. Pero, yan. We can put it like that. Right?
Are you sad or angry?
No, I'm just a little sad.
Are you angry?
Because it's not super fit. We measured it there.
Can you know this one?
Wow! Ayan, sakto. This is the kitchen. And then, ito yung ref nila. Oh, wow. Wow, diba? Kabog. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga usual na ginagamit ko ng mga crochet stuff. Pero tig-isa lang muna siguro. Isang counter, isang, ang tawag dito, stitch marker. Then isang, this one. The needle, plastic needle. There you go. Tapos, bubuksan ko lang when I need it. And then, I can also put something here pala on the side. Wala pa akong maisip for now kung anong pwedeng ilagay. So, someday, next time. There you go. Oh, ref, may kasama talaga siyang stickers. Kaso nawawala. Nasaan na kaya? Kitty!
What happened?
What happened, Kitty? May stickers talaga yung ref. So, andyan pala lahat. Abaw. On top, we can put pens. There you go. And on the same shop, kung saan ko nabili tong mat, meron ako nabiling glue stick daw. O, diba? So cute. Baka kailanganin ko sa isang project or whatever. Tapos, ito naman, I also bought a scissors. Na color pink din, of course. There. How do we use it? Oh, wow. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Ayan. Ang cute nitong scissors na to. Pwedeng pang crochet. Or pwede kong dalhin somewhere. So nice. There you go. I'm gonna put it here. Kasama ng mga, ito yung hook na madalas kong ginagamit. There. And then, extra scissors. Yan. Tapos ito naman pala yung nilagyanan ng mga yarns ko sa ilalim ng table ko. Pero meron din silang organizer. I think pang socks ito or for undies. Yun talagang real purpose niya. Pero it works din with the yarn. So ayan, ito na yung itsura ng ating crochet corner. So cute. Goal for next year, mapuno ng mga projects yan sa taas. Without the cover, ayan siya. So pretty.